Ever wondered what could happen if you were in a car accident? Would you know what steps to take? Car accidents, unfortunately, are not as uncommon as we'd like them to be. They're a part of the unpredictable nature of life that can occur anytime, anywhere, to anyone. One moment you're cruising down the highway, humming along to your favorite tune. The next, you're faced with the harsh reality of crushed metal and shattered glass. This sudden shift from blissful normalcy to disarray can leave you feeling confused, stressed, and unsure about what to do next. You're thrown into a whirlwind of questions. Should I call the police? Do I need to go to the hospital? What about insurance? Is this going to affect my driving record? The chaos that follows a collision is filled with a multitude of steps that need to be taken, each one as crucial as the next. And let's not forget about the emotional toll. The shock of the accident can leave you feeling frazzled, making it even more challenging to navigate the situation. Even though car accidents are a common occurrence, each one is unique. The circumstances surrounding every collision vary widely, making it impossible to have a one-size-fits-all approach. Add to that the complex legalities that come into play, and it can seem like you're trying to solve a jigsaw puzzle without all the pieces. It's not just about dealing with the immediate aftermath either. There's a long road that follows, filled with insurance claims, potential lawsuits, and the possibility of dealing with injuries that could have long-term effects. It's a daunting journey that can leave you feeling overwhelmed and anxious. The unfortunate truth is that most of us are ill-prepared for this situation. We may know the basics like exchanging information with the other driver, but when it comes to the legal aspects and the intricate details, we're often left scratching our heads. This is when a car accident lawyer can step in to guide you through the legal maze. They can help you understand your rights, navigate the insurance claims process, and ensure that you're not left in the lurch. But more than that, they're a beacon of hope in a situation that can otherwise seem hopeless. Take the case of Jane, for example, an average car owner just like you and me. One sunny afternoon, Jane found herself caught in the chaotic aftermath of a traffic accident. A distracted driver had run a red light, colliding with her car. Shocked and disoriented, she struggled to comprehend the events unfolding around her. In the immediate aftermath, Jane found herself facing a barrage of unexpected challenges. The accident was not her fault, yet she was suddenly thrust into a whirlwind of insurance claims and paperwork. She had to navigate the complex world of car repairs, seeking estimates and dealing with mechanics. She was also burdened with mounting medical bills from her injuries, a stark reminder of the physical toll the accident had taken on her. The insurance company, rather than being a source of support, added to her stress. They bombarded her with questions, each one designed to minimize their liability and reduce the payout. Jane felt cornered, unsure of how to protect her rights and interests. Then came the threat of litigation. The other driver, despite being at fault, had hired a lawyer and was disputing the version of events. Jane was suddenly faced with the daunting prospect of going to court, of having to defend herself against a seasoned legal professional. It was at this point that Jane realized she needed help. She was an average car owner, not a legal expert. She was struggling to keep her head above water, overwhelmed by the magnitude of the situation. That's when she decided to hire a car accident lawyer. Jane's lawyer became her lifeline, her advocate. They took over the negotiations with the insurance company, ensuring that Jane received a fair settlement. They dealt with the other driver's lawyer, countering their claims and defending Jane's rights. They navigated the legal maze, allowing Jane to focus on her recovery. Without a car accident lawyer, Jane would have been overwhelmed with the whole process. So, what exactly does a car accident lawyer do? Well, imagine a knight in shining armor riding in to rescue you from a tangle of legal complexities and insurance games. That's your car accident lawyer. First and foremost, they are your negotiator. After a car accident, you'll likely be dealing with an insurance company. These companies have one goal: to pay out as little as possible. But your lawyer has a different objective. They strive to get you the maximum compensation you're entitled to. They know how to navigate the tricky waters of insurance claims and won't be fooled by lowball offers. But their role doesn't stop at negotiation. They are also investigators. They gather evidence to support your claim. This could be anything from police reports and medical records to witness statements and accident scene photographs. They'll leave no stone unturned in their quest to build a compelling case on your behalf. Now, let's talk about paperwork. If you've ever tried to read legal documents, you know they might as well be written in a foreign language. But for a car accident lawyer, it's their native tongue. They handle all the necessary paperwork, making sure every form is filled out correctly and every deadline is met. And finally, if negotiations fail and your case goes to court, your lawyer becomes your champion. They will represent you, presenting your case in the best light possible and fighting for your rights. They make sure your voice is heard and your interests are protected. In essence, a car accident lawyer is your advocate, ensuring your rights are protected and you get the compensation you deserve. They're the knight in shining armor, the seasoned negotiator, the meticulous investigator, the paperwork wizard, and the courtroom champion. They are there to guide you through the aftermath of a car accident, every step of the way. Remember, when you're in a car accident, you're not alone. You have a legal ally ready to fight for you. And that, my friends, is what a car accident lawyer does. In essence, a car accident lawyer is your advocate, ensuring your rights are protected and you get the compensation you deserve. The advantages of hiring a car accident lawyer go beyond just legal representation. Yes, having someone to navigate the complex web of laws and regulations related to car accidents is crucial, but the benefits extend much further. Firstly, a car accident lawyer comes equipped with a deep understanding of the law. They're trained to interpret and apply legal statutes, court decisions, and regulations that pertain to your case. They'll know how to build a strong case, evidencing negligence, identifying liable parties, and quantifying damages. This is a task that could be overwhelming for someone without legal training. Secondly, these professionals are skilled negotiators. When you're dealing with insurance companies, there's often a lot of back and forth. These companies have their own team of lawyers working to minimize payouts. Having a car accident lawyer on your side levels the playing field. They'll negotiate on your behalf, ensuring you receive the full compensation you deserve. Moreover, hiring a car accident lawyer can provide much-needed peace of mind. After a car accident, you're likely dealing with physical injuries, emotional trauma, and financial stress. The last thing you need is the added burden of legal proceedings. A lawyer can shoulder this load, allowing you to focus on your recovery. They'll handle the tedious paperwork, deal with the insurance companies, and represent you in court if necessary. There's also the advantage of contingency-based fees. Many car accident lawyers work on a no-win, no-fee basis. This means you don't have to pay any legal fees unless they win your case. This ensures that your lawyer is motivated to secure the best possible outcome for you. Lastly, a car accident lawyer can offer valuable advice throughout the process. They can guide you on issues like seeking medical treatment, dealing with insurance adjusters, and preserving evidence. Their experience and expertise can be invaluable during this challenging time. In conclusion, the benefits of hiring a car accident lawyer are manifold. They offer not just legal expertise, but also negotiation skills, peace of mind, financial security, and valuable advice. A car accident lawyer can turn a complicated situation into a manageable one. To sum up, car accidents are unexpected and can leave you feeling lost. Through the chaos of the aftermath, it's crucial to remember the key points we've discussed today. We started our journey with the harsh reality of unexpected collisions. The sudden impact, the shock, and the confusion that follows can be overwhelming. The events that unfold can take a turn for the worst, adding to the complexity of the situation. It's in these moments where the expertise of a car accident lawyer comes into play. The role of a car accident lawyer, as we've learned, is multifaceted. They navigate the murky waters of legal paperwork, dealing with insurance companies, and working tirelessly to ensure your rights are upheld. Their knowledge and experience become your compass in a sea of uncertainty, guiding you through the process with your best interests in mind. The benefits of hiring a car accident lawyer are extensive. They shoulder the burden of legal complexities, allowing you to focus on your physical and emotional recovery. They fight for fair compensation, working to secure funds for medical expenses, lost wages, and often, the pain and suffering you've endured. In essence, a car accident lawyer is more than just a legal representative. They are your advocate, your guide, and your support system in a time where you need it the most. They stand by you, fighting for justice, and ensuring that the aftermath of a car accident doesn't overshadow your path to recovery. As we close this chapter, remember that every situation is unique, and it's important to consult with a professional to understand the best course of action for your specific circumstance. Remember, having a car accident lawyer by your side can make all the difference.